While it was dark, they came to him with broken hearts and hope grown dim. They brought their love, they brought their care. They sought the Lord and found hope there. Come and see, then go and tell. The stone is rolled away. The Lord who died now lives again. He walks with us today. There, we did not see the empty tomb, the victory, but we have felt His mercy near. We know His voice, we need not fear. Come and see, then go and tell. The stone is rolled away. The Lord who died now lives again. He walks with us today. Bear His light, speak His name, let every heart be shown. Jesus lives, Christ is risen, we are not alone. Come and see, then go and tell. The stone is rolled away. The Lord who died now lives again. He walks with us today. The Lord who died now lives again. He walks with us today.